This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Evie Hunt. Newly renovated home. 3-bedroom split floor plan. This beautiful house sits on a little over a half-an-acre lot in a quiet neighborhood, with a park just down the street and close to all the amenities the town has to offer. The living room has a large window for natural lighting. The home has been completely remodeled and features new flooring, new stainless steel appliances, and new lighting throughout the home. The backyard is the perfect place to relax. Call today to make this your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Evie Hunt at 337-463-2121.